and buyer says, okay, give me this product, give me this price, and this is the payment term. That is where the game starts. For the growth of the product, like the total turnover which is doing, and the hot selling products which are exporting from India. And sir, in my journey, it started only with your support. So without being exporter, I can't even think about me being an exporter. So जो नाम आपने रखा ना बहुत अच्छा रखा है sir. Thinking about all of us, every woman can do this. Even though you're a housewife, even though you're a student, just graduated, you can step into this. And even for housewives, mostly they leave their jobs because of kids. But
Namaskar, everybody. Welcome each one of you to one more podcast. And this podcast is like wow factor for you because how to choose product, how to reach buyer. We are going to unfold a lot of conversation here. So straight, I'll go to first. Let me introduce Priyanka. Priyanka Kuna, all the way from Hyderabad. Priyanka, welcome, beta. Welcome to this podcast.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. So Priyanka, introduce yourself so that participant and viewers can know about you. And then I'll ask a question like what you're doing earlier before coming into this industry. So we'll keep it in Hindi and English. There you go.
Sure, sir. Definitely. Namaste to everyone. I'm Priyanka Kuna. I'm co-founder of Genie Mama Impacts Private Limited, based in Andhra Pradesh.
Brilliant. So Priyanka, export में आने के पहले क्या करते थे आप?
So before exports, I was in China for almost 8 years, where I studied my international MBA program in China, and then I continued working for ByteDance, which is a parent company of TikTok and Hello applications, and I worked there around for 4 years, and then I shifted back to India, and I started my own business. So this is
Brilliant.
the thing. Yeah.
Brilliant. So you shifted here. So you worked for 8 years you were there in China for 8
Yeah, I was there in China for 8 years. I studied over there for 2 years. I explored China for 2 years, and
Uh-huh.
I worked for 4 years.
Oh, brilliant. So that's amazing. प्रियंका आप इंडिया में आए व्हाट ब्रॉट यू इनटू एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री बिकॉज ऑप्शंस तो बहुत सारे हैं.
Yes, sir. So actually, I went to China in 2015. So right after my graduation in 2014. So and I explored. Like I took a break of 1 year after graduation. What to do? I took a break, and I explored China. Like I was exploring for 1 year, whole year. I explored China, and I saw that their growth, because people over there, when they're telling about their country, they were like in a short span of time how they had grown and what made them grown in such a a very inspiring manner. It was because China was all over, like for every world, like all over the world it is. So that inspired me a lot, and that is when I came to know about exports industry. That is the main reason for them. And in 2016, this thought triggered me that we also want to do exports, me and my husband both, because I was married back then. So we both were thinking that we had to go into exports business, but because there was no proper guidance or what to do, how to start, because usually there is a thought like, yeah, business is, first of all, business is not a good idea for so many people. And second is export business, which is internationally, we don't know person is sitting on the other side. Here only we are not able to manage domestically. How can we do business over there? So these all thoughts were there, and there was no proper guidance, sir, because mostly people used to say, I asked few people who were into this business. So they used to say a lot of paperwork you cannot manage. It's not a cup of tea. So, these all things came. So this export thing, it was whole for 8 long years. So in 2016, I had this idea of export, but I started in 2023, and that too only because of your ad. I can say only because of you I started export, or else we will be still in doing job and everything.
Got it. So Priyanka, let's say the thought which brought you into export was at the source as globalization, and then there are conversation around you about this business is not your cup of tea. इसमें documentation लगता है और पैसा लगता है and all of it. I got that. So
Yes.
Priyanka, how you came to know about being exporter and what you explored there?
So actually, because of my previous job, I was very much active on social media, and I was exploring. Like I used to, see more channels of videos and all for personal growth and professional growth both. And that is when your ad popped up regarding exports. So it is like मेरा पुराना dream जाग गया है. So exposed, like when I thought till now I didn't do it. So that is when I went depth into your, I saw your all profiles and everything, and I thought, acha, mujhe at least वो 3 day workshop lena hai, and then we will see if I will go, I can set into this business or not. So that is when I took your 3 day workshop through Instagram ads, sir.
Got it. Very innocent of you. प्यारे बच्चे. You went on my profile, you checked everything before you
Yes,
registered.
because I was like, see, no one is doing, because even in my surroundings, no one was doing into business. Acha, my father is a business person, but it is like medical business and retail, but not into international business in anything. We don't know no one. So that is the reason we were like, we need to see, right, sir? Anyone will see.
Absolutely. Absolutely, beta. Absolutely. Got it. So,
Yeah.
Priyanka, tell us how you started your journey. So, what we are going to do next, Priyanka, the moment you started, now you're clear that globalization is something which is, the place where you want to work on. And फिर आप being exported program में आए और उसके बाद हमारे mentorship में आए. Now you started your journey. So, let's start from scratch. प्रियंका प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन में क्या चीज़ों में ध्यान देना चाहिए? आपने जो जर्नी की, यू सेंड योर शिपमेंट, यू स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग मल्टीपल शिपमेंट्स, you are in journey, you are individual, now there is a team with you started growing. So whatever you are sharing, it impacts and it creates a lot of value where entrepreneurs, those who are exporters and aspiring exporters जो ये podcast को देख रहे हैं. So let's start from this. Product selection में क्या-क्या parameters आपने ध्यान दिए? There you go.
The first I saw the growth of the product, like the total turnover which is doing, and the hot selling products which are exporting from India. And that is when I picked up, like in the top products, top 10 products में एक product जो दिखा है, जो अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ, which is in bigger volumes. I can say the turnover is also more and volume is also big. And the second thing why I have chosen this product is the geographic which I am in, because this is the place where it is only, produced, and more exports are happening from India. I mean, India is the only, I can say it's the biggest exporter of my product.
Wow.
Yeah, so geographically, I have chosen because from my place it is going on. Supply chain will be easy for me, communication will be easy for me, even transportation for me, आना जाना सब कुछ मुझे भी देखना है ना. So वो सब भी आसान हो जाएगा. Talking with the suppliers in our local language, basically, so that they also understand everything. So this is what made me choosing from my. I mean, I just want to go easy. See, I am not saying कि मेरा product is wonderful product है. But it is just that I want to start with an easy product. जैसे कि आपने बताया था, do what you want, like what you like first, because this is like a starting phase. So I started with what is easily available for me and what is only India is doing into exports.
So
And it's in bigger volumes, and China is the biggest importer of largest importer, and my focus was always on to China. So I was saying ki what products they are importing. So that because even I get one, it will be like a repeat order and it will be huge. So I was on like that. That is the reason. Main reason is this: I chosen the products which they are importing,
awesome.
not they are exporting. And
Awesome.
yeah.
Awesome, Priyanka.
And also I saw the growth also, sir. Like like as you had the, I mean, like your system also, they had seen like the turnover, the 5 years growth and everything, and this product was growing rapidly, like in terms. And yeah, these are like many factors that I cannot say thing. So the first thing, just to summarize, the first thing, turnover I saw, and then the growth in last 5 years, the growth and how consistently they are growing. So consistently, the production capacity, and who are the largest importers of my product, and where I can target.
Super.
So, yeah,
Super.
these all I saw.
Super, Priyanka. So that says everything. Like, first, before you move into the market, coming from a fresh perspective, हर किसी को ऐसा होता है कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स में हम काम करें. अच्छा, ये नहीं है कि प्रोडक्ट कौन से हैं, ये है कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, कौन सा करें. So start from turnover, and then consistency, and then geographic expansion, which is the right country for you.
Yeah.
And fortunately, वो आपके शहर में ही प्रोडक्ट बनता है.
जी.
And that was now more convenient and more easy for you. Followed by you start from what is easy, and then you continue with what organization wants you to demonstrate, and then you
Exactly.
scale up. That's awesome. Rekha, let's talk about the journey of buyer. Usually, let's say somebody was working or somebody was a homemaker and starting this business. Now jumping into this market, you sitting here in the different corner of the globe, buyer sitting there in different corner of the globe. लोग कहते हैं कि buyer विश्वास नहीं करते हैं. एंड आई ऑल्सो एग्री टू दैट बिकॉज अगर मुझे भी मटेरियल खरीदना है, व्हाई शुड आई ट्रस्ट समबडी विदाउट नोइंग ऑल दिस? बट देन हमें ये नहीं करना है कि उस थॉट को लेकर के हम बैठ जाएं. रादर वी नीड टू ओवरकम दैट थॉट एंड वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन आवर एक्शंस. Priyanka, the experience which you have with your buyer, I want to share like what exactly it was there. वो buyer ने आपकी तरफ उनको incline किया और buyer ने yes किया. So what is that you want to address in this?
Sir, I totally agree. No one will pay you advance payment by only just talking, and that to me being a fresher. See, we are not into business for so like 20, 25 years. I don't have anything in my background. And when I am demanding him for an advance payment terms, so they usually they don't agree because they already have suppliers who are dealing with them in credits. So why will they come to me? So these all thoughts even they were before, like even now also I have not only before, but with your guidance, yes sir, because you had guided us in a very such a manner that you need to only deal in these type of things. And because of you, we even I had said no to many clients because of risky payment terms. Like there everything was good, like very ऐसा होता है कि मुझे लेना है
In
but
fact, Priyanka, I remember your voice, so much of enthusiasm. Sir, I got a deal and I used to say, no, beta, you can't move. And you're like,
yeah.
is it? And I can get that, okay?
Yeah, because see, being new into business, and because it is not like amne samne betna, we didn't met any time, always on the call, and buyer says, okay, give me this product, give me this price, and this is the payment term. That is where the game starts. And so, okay, no sir, no, we are not going to do this. So this happened many times. Even aapse bhi maine that kahi, I say. I was very much like, मुझे करना है,
No,
but because of you,
yeah.
I stopped.
No, no. So, Priyanka, that's two things, I want to address. That's your authenticity, beta, and the trust you have on our system, on us. And that's the, reason you surrender and you allow us to coach you. See, it's not about I speak and you say, or I mean, I speak and you do, but it's
Yes.
always a trust which is there. So, first of all, thank you for that. And second, it's our responsibility, Priyanka. Like you are our community member, one of a powerful person, a superhero. मतलब किसी का भी नुकसान होते हुए सोच भी नहीं सकते, देखने की तो बात ही नहीं. So that's my job. अब बच्चे हैं, कभी नहीं मानते हैं, तो डांट लगा देनी पड़ती है. No, I
बिल्कुल.
remember that conversation. And you're like, अच्छा मना कर देना. I said, प्रियंका नुकसान हो जाएगा. Why don't you understand? And I saw that silence and I was experiencing that.
Yeah, because that was nearly 30 containers a month. It was like daily loading, a dream come true. But the payment terms, it sucks. So yeah, I understand. And I know
Yes.
because whatever you say, it is for our good. And I totally agree to all your words that I surrender fully. So coming to my journey, the buyer which I had closed this deal, I was nurturing him from past 6 months. It is not in a one day game for me.
Brilliant.
It's a six
Brilliant.
months consistency for me, I can say.
Brilliant.
So even though initially we had so much of things like we were stuck with our payment terms, which it's a company payment terms we can't change. That is what I stuck with the payment terms, and then initially when he came, he used to ask prices. We used to talk a lot again, but there was no deal happening. But conversations were all on top.
प्रियंका इसको अलग तरीके से एक और डिटेल में लेके जाते हैं. So in your case, particular with this buyer, took 6 months.
Yeah.
Though I will not take the name of a participant, somebody associated with us, within
Yeah.
30 days turn as an exporter,
Yeah, yeah.
and then one more manufacturing unit, and then 5 JV, and that the journey was of abundance, and still it is abundance. If you remember, he cracked one deal with a buyer after so many years. Like he was in communication with the buyer for many years. It was just a matter of a hi, hello, and how are you, and pricing. But buyer was clear, I will not buy. And one fine day, he cracked the deal. If you remember,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
I do remember.
Okay. तो प्रियंका वो वाले डील में उन्हें कितना समय लगा था उस पर्टिकुलर बायर के साथ? Any, if you remember?
I remember it was almost 3 years.
Correct. So guys, this is for everybody. See, once you are doing the business, take it as a way of life. Now, the participant about whom we are talking, he was like, within 30 days, send his first shipment, had it on, one more manufacturing unit, joint ventures and all of it. And then, see, what happens is once we got no on the call, हमारे लिए वो खत्म हो जाता है. Point is no. You need to understand, they are a buyer, they are looking for somebody who's a supplier. और एक बार की मना नहीं है. It's like always what you can add value. Pricing के बारे में बताएं, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताएं और उनके साथ कनेक्शन बना के रखें. तो अब जब उन्होंने 3 साल तक वो रिलेशन बनाया, वो बायर इनके पास टर्न हुए. प्रियंका एक मंथ में कितना प्रॉफिट करते हैं उस बायर से?
I I don't remember the profit percentage, sir.
8 lakh rupees in Rupee Valley.
Oh.
In one of our bus essay session, he shared, and
Mm.
300 plus people were like, wow. See, it's always about a game of taking it as a way of life. It's not about overnight phenomenon. It's not about one-time conversation. Priyanka, you are adding a lot of values. Priyanka, coming to the next point, let's say people are watching this podcast. Okay, चाहे कोई ऐड में देख रहे हैं या कहीं इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे देख रहे हैं या फिर यूट्यूब पे पॉडकास्ट के वे में देख रहे हैं, कहीं भी देख रहे हैं. ऑडियंसेस वो लोग हैं जो एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं, एस्पायरिंग एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं. हम आज दो पार्ट में मैसेजेस लेंगे आपसे. सो फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द मैसेज यू वांट टू गिव to entrepreneurs, those who are watching this conversation, either exporters or aspiring exporters? There you go.
Sir, I would like to say export is a very big industry, and each and every person have to be in this export business. And to be successful in this business, one needs patience and consistency in taking actions. So it is not like coming today and leaving tomorrow. We need to be consistent and we need to take actions. Then only we will be successful in this.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Priyanka also will do this way. Okay. So, somebody like you, like right now, you are managing your home.
Yeah.
At times you attend session and kiddos aa jate hain, and then you make them serve and then you make them sit.
Yes.
And you are managing your office, you're managing your team, you're managing your business, you're managing your personal life. Being a homemaker, जो गृहिणियां हैं उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहो?
Sir, I will say every woman can do this. Even though you're a housewife, even though you're a student, just graduated, you can step into this. And even for housewives, mostly they leave their jobs because of kids. But I say we can do everything. Women can do everything. They can multi-manage all the things just to keep everything aligned, like just to automate the things. Initially, there will be a breakdown, but with the support of the family and mainly mostly husband, so with your spouse you can definitely overcome this thing, and we can do this business, sir. Woman has to do this business because इस business में जो है किसी business में नहीं है. Even your monthly salary will not come into this once you're successful in this business. I'm not saying initially only we'll get all those benefits and all, but in the upcoming, at least take for 3-5 years game plan, like it's a bigger view. In the bigger view, we will definitely reach that our target and all.
Brilliant. That's fabulous. Priyanka, during this journey, participating in workshop, in mentorship sessions, and in fact, national and events and boot camps, anything which is there is a memory you have, and if it is there, you want to share with audience, what will be that?
So there are so many memories. Which memory you want me to share, sir? Because every time I come to national meet or every time I meet you face to face and the other superheroes in our community, I always feel, Acha, what am I doing here? I'm always very low and at the same time very much inspired to do more things. I come to home with such an energy that I tell to my husband, Acha, we are going to do this. We are going to plan this. So there is always inspiring stories. I mean, it's not stories because it's all real things. It is not like a kahani and all. The real things, the real people stand there, they share their experiences, what they're achieving, how they're achieving, what made them achieve. So these all are like memories only. So like a lot of memories I carry. So which one you want me to specifically say, sir?
You got the message, Priyanka. It's always about you meeting with the people, those who are right there, not as a story, but the real ones and the way they are doing. So you feel on one hand, it's like, lo, arey, main reh gayi. On the other hand, you are inspired. Okay, there is a gap and I can do. And you are like, wow. And now what is next to be done? Brilliant.
Yes.
Priyanka, इस जर्नी में हमारा क्या रोल रहा, क्या सपोर्ट रहा, क्या एड्रेस करना चाहोगे?
Sir, in my journey, it started only with your support. So without being exporter, I can't even think about me being an exporter. So जो नाम आपने रखा ना बहुत अच्छा रखा है sir. Thinking about all of us. So even from the beginning of the program, the way your team has designed for the starters, actually, for no one where no one has a business background in this business. So it was all a system you designed and it was really great. Initially लगता है कि ये क्यों करना है? Like there is no need. We can directly start. But the way you maintain, like first you need to complete one thing and then you will enter into this thing and then only you will enter into that thing. The things which you had kept, no, that also inspired me to, अच्छा मुझे ये complete करना है, then only I can go to the next level. It is like a game on.
Wow.
So the system you have designed is really like a game for us, very inspiring. And the guidance from the team also, like whenever we call the team, they will respond always. Like lot of things came in moved, you say, like all gifts, gifts, so many gifts from the community. Like whatever an exporter needs, you always gave everything. So many gifts from you. Sir, everything in every path there is a support from your community. We cannot deny that there is nothing. Everything is from the community, I will say, sir.
Brilliant. Brilliant. You got it. My dear entrepreneurs, this was someone who started her journey. You saw images and you heard all the conversation. Priyanka, you have no clue how many lives you have impacted by this conversation. So, really, thank you very much, Priyanka, for investing your valuable time and being here. Truly appreciate it and grateful.
Sir, thank you so much for starting this journey, being exporter and changing so many lives, sir. Because if you haven't started, we haven't started.
Yeah,
So thank you initially. First, thank you so much for starting this. And yeah, you made this, sir.
got
And
it.
we all are your students.
Got it, beta. Thank you. And viewers, coming to you, it's always about you have your goals. And this industry is amazing. We have participants generating orders, we have participants performing. What makes big difference is you have your goals. Given by your goals, you select your products, and on that basis, you start journey of sales. You can earn like what 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh, 60 lakh rupees, even in consignments. And then a buyer is only buying for once, or there are repetitions, and then there are many products. This is something which is someone can take as way of life. वॉचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट आप यहाँ तक आए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मैं आपसे फिर से मिलूंगा एक अलग पॉडकास्ट में. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड व्यूअर्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय फॉर नाउ. प्रियंका, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much, sir.